Andrew and Jeremy spent the summer sailboating in the ocean. Many days they worked long hours on math. They discovered that multiplication in nines had a secret code, also known as the 9 trick. The two friends noticed that 1 times 9 is the same as 1 9. They noticed 2 times 9 is the same as 2 9s, which would be 18. They noticed 3 times 9 is simply 3 9s. And 4 times 9 is simply 4 9s. They noticed that 9 equals 9, and 1 plus 8 equals 9, and 2 plus 7 equals 9, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. That's when they really realized that there surely was some secret code with 9. They soon noticed another hint. They noticed that the tens place of the product is always 1 less than the non-9 factor, or the factor that is not the 9. 1 is 1 less than 2. 2 is 1 less than 3. 3 is 1 less than 4. 4 is 1 less than 5. 5 is 1 less than 6. And it goes all the way to 81, 9 times 9. One fine sunny morning, Andrew and Jeremy landed upon a deserted island. Hidden in the sand, they found a treasure chest, and inside was one of the greatest math hints of all. Andrew read the secret hint. This is what it said. The product equals 10 times the non-9 factor minus the non-9 factor. Let's see if this works. We know 1 times 9 equals 9. And in this equation, 1 is the non-9 factor. So our formula says the non-9 factor times 10 minus the non-9 factor. So 1 times 10 is obviously 10 because it's 1/10 minus 1. So what would that equal? Would that equal 9? It looks like our formula works. This should seem natural because 9 is 1 less than 10. So every 9 that you consider to be a 10, you will have to take 1 away from the product. So we know that 6 times 9 equals 54. And the non-9 factor of this problem is 6. So 6 times 10 minus 6, which is the non-9 factor, equals 54 too, right? Or does it not? Let's see. 6 times 10 is 60. Minus 6 equals 54. Let's see if this works on more difficult equations. We'll use some mental math for this one. 8 times 9 equals 72. And we need to change the 9 to a 10 for our formula. So 8 times 10 equals 80 minus the non-9 factor, which is 8. So 80 minus 8 equals 72. So it looks like our formula works well for this too. So let's sum this up and see if it all works together. Let's see if 7 times 9 really equals 63. In our first hint, we knew that these two numbers had to add up to 9. But simply that does not tell us that the equation is right. We could have had one of the numbers wrong. 6 is 1 less than 7, so it looks like we are on the right track. 6 plus 3 equals 9, so it surely is the right number. Another way we could have done it is change the 9 to a 10 and do 7 times 10 minus the non-9 factor, which is 7, which equals 63.